Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm just going to show you guys two very simple Cydia tweaks. They're very small, but I think a lot of people might not find it very useful, but they might like it just because it seems cool or it looks cool. So the two tweaks in question are, they're both free. The first one I'm going to show you is called DismissMyKeyboard, and the second one is called Popoveractions. So what I'll demonstrate right now is DismissMyKeyboard. Now, as for those of you that own iPads, you'd be very familiar probably with the button in the bottom right of the iPad keyboard that once tapped will actually send the keyboard away so you can look at whatever you're looking at full screen. Now the problem is the iPhone keyboard doesn't have that option, but what this Cydia tweak allows you to do is swipe from the space bar over to the return key or whatever key might be there, and it'll actually dismiss the keyboard just like that. So it might be very useful if I know many times I've found myself in an app where the keyboard is actually covering up part of the content, and that's not good at all because then you can't see what's underneath the keyboard. So with a simple tweak like DismissMyKeyboard, that kind of fixes that problem. So you just swipe, I'll show you again, you just swipe from the spacebar to the right and it gets rid of the keyboard. Now the next tweak I'm going to show you is called Popoveractions, and it's a purely aesthetic tweak. So I've got here a picture from my camera roll, and look at what happens when I tap the delete button. As you can see there, instead of the delete button swiping up from the top just like on any other iPhone or iPod Touch, it actually appears kind of like an iPad message. So in any app that kind of displays, say mail for example, when you try to delete a message, you know, it usually comes up as that button, except it kind of comes up from the bottom with a bunch of other buttons. Instead, that'll be centered and displayed separately from everything else, just like on the iPad. So it doesn't really add any usefulness, it's really more like a UI tweak, but I really like the way that that kind of displays on the iPad, and I just wanted to bring that to the iPhone, and this tweak does that. So that's it guys, just a really quick video. Again, I'll name those two tweaks. First one's called DismissKeyboard, and the second one is called Popoveractions. So they're free, they're very small, and you can get them from Cydia. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.